Have you ever tried spaghetti? Well, there are multiple ways to make this recipe. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to make Indian style spaghetti at home. This recipe is a fusion of Indo-Chinese flavors, which is also known as noodles in some parts of India. Hello everyone, my name is Dinkar and you are watching Indian FIA, and for this video we are going to make Indian style noodles. So without wasting any time, let's get started. There are multiple types of Italian pasta and the one I'm going to use here is spaghettini. It's a long Italian pasta which is thin compared to some other styles, and it closely resembles to the Indian noodles or Indian chow mein. In India, chow mein or noodles are used for this recipe, which may differ with the ingredients used for these products, but these taste very similar and you can use either of these. So let's get into the cooking now. Firstly, I will keep some water to boil my spaghetti and I will add 1 tablespoon of salt to this water. While my water is about to boil, let me show you all the sauces I'm going to use for this recipe. The first sauce I will use here is sriracha. This will provide the spiciness and color to my spaghetti. Next comes the soya sauce. You can use any variety of soya sauce here, but the one I'm using here is soya sauce light. This one is low on sodium, so I believe this one is better than others, but it's totally up to you. Next I'm going to use here is chili sauce. Guys, this chili sauce is optional, but this will add that Indo-Chinese flavor to your spaghetti. This sauce is easily available in Indian stores, but you can skip this as well. And I will also use some white vinegar here. Let's cut all of our veggies here. I am using 1.5 onion, almost 3/4 of a green pepper, half red pepper, few cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I will use a grater for my ginger and garlic, but you can also finely chop these. Once your ginger and garlic is ready, I will slice my onions and peppers here. You can use other colors of pepper as well, but it's totally up to you. You can use whatever you have at home. So all of my veggies are ready and my water is also boiling now. So let's add our spaghetti to the water. I will break my spaghetti from the middle, but guys, this breaking is totally optional. You will later realize that small strands of spaghetti are easy to mix with each other, but if you like longer spaghetti, you can totally skip this breaking part. Now we will let this spaghetti boil for at least 10 minutes. You have to be patient here and you have to let your spaghetti boil. I never measure the amount of spaghetti I use here, but roughly I use almost half a bag of spaghetti here. So I am using around 250 grams of spaghetti here. After around 10 minutes, you have to check whether your spaghetti is well boiled or not. The best way to check it is use a fork here and take out one strand of your spaghetti. Now roll it on your finger and see if it breaks properly. If you are still not sure, you can taste this just to confirm if it's cooked properly. My spaghetti is well cooked, so I will remove it from the heat. And now we have to wash it with the cold water. Guys, this step is very important. Otherwise, there is a chance of overcooking of your spaghetti. So once you wash it with cold water, add some oil to it and use your hands to mix all of these. By doing this, your spaghetti will not stick to each other and you can store it for few days as well. So once your spaghetti is ready, it's time to cook. I will use some oil here. My heat level is medium for now. And here goes my ginger garlic into the oil. We have to cook this ginger garlic for almost 30 seconds. And once you can smell that aroma from your ginger and garlic, add your onion and pepper to the oil. We have to cook these onions and peppers for 3 to 4 minutes only. I will turn on my heat to medium high and we will cook this until our onions start getting translucent. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see my onions have started changing their color. So I will add my spaghetti here. Firstly, I will add some white salt. I am using 2 teaspoons of white salt. Next goes some black pepper powder. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder here. Next goes some soya sauce. Next goes some sriracha sauce. Next goes some chili sauce. And the last thing I'm going to add here is white vinegar. Guys, I have never measured any of these sauces and we will check the taste later in the video. But just for the approximation of this video, I'm using 2 tablespoons of chili sauces, 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar here. Now we have to mix all of this really well. If you want your sauces and spices to be well flavored on all sides, you have to mix this for at least 5 minutes. I know your arms will pain here, but guys, keep on mixing this very well. And now keep your heat on medium low. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing all of this, and you have to do it until you are tired. So after around 5 minutes of mixing, we will taste our spaghetti. You can add any sauces at this stage. My spaghetti is not very spicy and it's low on salt, so I will add both of these here. It's time to mix it again. I will continue this mixing for 2 more minutes and you can see my dish is fully ready. Guys, this recipe is really easy and it won't take more than 20 minutes. So you should definitely try this recipe at home and I'm pretty sure you will love this type of spaghetti. If you are still watching this video, well, thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to leave a like and check out my other videos where I have made amazing Indian dishes. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.